$40 for a Christmas doormat when you can paint your own for half of that. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own festive DIY outdoor floor mat. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is day 7 out of 12 days of my Craftmas series. Today's project is all about upgrading your holiday outdoor decor without breaking the bank. Today I'm going to be painting a Christmas themed floor mat inspired by one I saw on Amazon that was 40 bucks. And by the way, I am not dropping $40 for a floor mat. So instead I grabbed a $7 floor mat from Target and we're gonna make it ourselves. As always, I've linked all the supplies in the description down below, so let's get crafting. Here's what you're gonna need for this project. You're going to need a blank floor mat. I got mine from Target for $7. I did find some blank ones off Amazon, but they were a little pricey for what I was wanting to pay, so just be wary of that. Gesso, I like to use that to kind of outline my design on the mat. Acrylic paint, so I'm going to be using black, red, green, blue, and yellow. The colors are for the light bulbs and the black is for everything else. Black seal spray, this is to protect everything once we're done painting. Start by laying your mat on a flat surface. The mat is super rough and it feels kind of like hay, so don't worry if the texture seems challenging. We're going to layer the paint for full coverage. Use gesso to outline your design. I'm freehanding Let's Get Lit in the middle of the mat, then I'm adding the outline of the Christmas lights to the top and bottom of the mat. Once the gesso is done drying, take your acrylic paint and fill in the design. You might need a few layers to build up the color as the mat is rough, which can make it kind of hard to paint. For the lettering, I'm doing that in black acrylic paint. For the Christmas lights, I am painting the string black and adding colorful bulbs in red, yellow, green, and blue. These little touches make the design pop and really adds a festive touch. Once the paint is completely dry, spray Flex Seal over the whole mat. This will protect the design from wear and tear and keep it looking vibrant throughout the holiday season. Let it dry fully before using it outdoors. Here's the finished mat. I loved how it turned out. The Let's Get Lit design is so fun and so festive, and the Christmas lights add such a perfect holiday vibe. And that's it for day 7 out of day 12 of Craftmas. Customizing a holiday floor mat is such a fun way to add personality to your decor, and I hope you give this DIY a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know how this turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. As always, adios!